For this film, I'm going to show you my favourite BB and CC creams for my skin and also my hair. Yes, hair. It's funny, isn't it? Since 2011, when BB and CC creams became popular, they came over from Asia, people really loved them. They loved them because they had dual benefits to them. They really looked after your skin, they protected your skin, colour corrected your skin, and they delivered really well in terms of giving you a beautiful, fresh complexion that was light. But I never really applied these principles to my hair. Just to keep it quick, I've already applied my BB cream from MAC and my favourite CC from Clinique. I'll get to those in a moment. But whilst my hair is still wet, I'm going to apply my first Assistant Professional BB called Beautiful Base. Now this product is actually named Blue Shaper, and it's a lovely product, very blue, aqua blue in colour, that I simply love to apply because if, like me, you've got coloured hair, sometimes when you put product through your hair, it really sticks and it feels quite uncomfortable. But this product richly glides through my hair and it feels really lovely. Now the Blue Shaper will protect my hair from any heat that I put on it, and it also styles it beautifully, so it's going to hold a really nice, just very soft wave in my hair. So I'm going to just lay that in my hair now, quickly go through my makeup, and then we'll dry it off. So the first product I've applied is the MAC Prep and Prime BB. Now I've used this product for a long time actually. It's got an SPF of 30 in it, which I think is brilliant because it is so light. It comes in a liquid, it also comes in a solid format, which is how I like to use it. It is super light, and if I'm filming or I'm going out for the whole day or I've got a wedding and I want my skin to look its absolute best, it's the first product that I apply before my base, and it acts like a really great gripper board. I mean, I can apply it over the CC cream I've already done, just around my eyes, just around the areas that tends to lose a little bit of makeup and the areas that I want to make sure that I've got absolute protection on. And it dries to a sort of like semi-matte finish and it leaves the skin looking beautiful. I mean, if I'm working on some models sometimes and their skin is sort of near perfect, I might just apply a little bit of this product and that's all. It's very, very light, but it's a real great product for your makeup bag. And secondly, Moisture Surge by Clinique CC Cream Colour Corrector. This has got an SPF of 30. It's oil-free, it's fragrance-free, and it's just one of those CC creams that you can just put on. You get enough coverage to kind of soften any redness. It feels really hydrating, and you can probably see on my skin, it's, you know, it's a light coverage, it's not a full coverage. You can still see my pigmentation and lines, but I feel really protected, and I think my skin looks fresh and dewy. So to keep the makeup really fresh and natural, I'm going to be using, as you can see, one of my favourite blushes, and this is from Max Factor and it's called Soft Copper. Now this is the perfect shade to add just a little bit of warmth to your complexion. It's not too red, it's not too pink, and it just gives a little bit of separation from your cheeks, from the base, adding a kind of more natural finish and soft tone to your features. And being a cream, I've placed it just over the CC cream. Haven't used any powder, just to kind of keep it really radiant and fresh. As you can see, I've done my brows and my lashes. I'm going to be using this eye pencil by Minna. It's a really good, perfect pencil to use that goes on really quickly, a quick scribble. It's kind of like a soft taupey brown. What I like about these is they really last. And it gives me a nice swathe of colour underneath and on top, that quickly, nice scribbly eye. And it allows a little bit of shape for my eye, just making sure I bring the colour over the top of my socket like that. If you can compare it to this eye now, it's blended, it looks much bigger, and that's where you need to place your colour, always just over the socket. Great. Now just to add a little bit of brightness and just to lift my eyes so they don't look so tired, I'm going to use by Terry Ombre Star just over my tear duct, just in the centre there. Just apply straight from the nib and then just soften with your ring finger. And this is great if you've got tired eyes and you want to use it as a point of distraction, or just to kind of really lift a very simple makeup. And just having that light there really kind of helps shape your eyes. It's very pretty. I love this little touch in a makeup. Now for the lips, I love a stain, and I love Bobbi Brown's Crushed Lips. You've probably seen me use these before. This one is called Baby. And I just love the consistency. Texture's so lovely. Right, I think it's now time that I started drying my hair. Great, so my hair feels really, really soft. It's got lots of lovely movement in it, which is the way I like it. Right, I'm just going to put a little wave through it now. Right, I just put the last bend at the front here, and I tell you what, I do feel much better about waving my hair knowing that it's protected. Lovely. Okay, well, hopefully you can see on camera, but my hair is, you know, it's quite light, and I was trialing these products because I've chosen my two favourite for about a month before I did this film, because I wanted to make sure that I got the best that I liked and for my hair. And I just love how much body and movement it gives to my hair, because my hair's dry, and sometimes if I put a product in it, it can go quite woolly and quite stiff and sticky. But it feels, you know, like hair, which I know is a silly thing to say, but it just feels that it's light and it's got lots of movement in it. Now, I haven't explained yet that System Professional have created the EnergyCode. And what this does is that it enables them to make sure that you have the right products for your hair. So you go online, you answer their questionnaire, and they will be able to tell you and group together the right coded products for your hair. Now, I've tried this and it does work. And I just think it's a brilliant way for companies to be able to tell you, these are our products, but this is what works for you. So you get the best products working for you, and that's in shampoos, conditioners and masks, and the styling products. So you are making sure that the investment you're making into your hair is worth it, which I think is really important. Now, the second product that I want to share is the Soft Touch Creative Care. Now, this is a lovely polishing cream. So I'll show you just on my hand, it comes out like this. It's a really beautiful lightweight cream, and it's slightly pearlescent, which gives your hair a little bit of a glow. Now, give me a little bit of creative license here, because obviously I've just washed my hair and it's like full of bounce. But by tomorrow, guaranteed, these little endy bits will become a little bit dry. I don't like to put too much oil-based products in my hair because it just makes it a bit lank and then it loses that nice swing. So I place this product and I literally sort of scrunch it into the ends of my hair and then just twist it round. And personally, I like quite spiky ends. I don't like a solid cut. It's all kind of quite wispy. And I use the polishing cream just at the ends of my hair, and also where I have these baby hairs, or let's hope they're baby hairs and not breakage. But I think it's all new growth, which is nice. And I just use that over the parting to soften it, and at the ends, and that just really breaks up my hair as well, because I don't like to have a solid hair, and it just gives it a little bit of a modern texture. So these two products, the Blue Shaper and the Soft Touch, my beautiful base and my Creative Care and my CC and BB products for my hair. So I hope you like the final look and you enjoyed the concept of the film. I think it's really important to look at products that give you extra skin benefits, take care of your hair while styling it. And I think it's a really, really great idea what System Professional are doing. There is an abundance of products out there, and it's often really hard to find what products work for your hair, whether it's straight, curly, blonde, dark, dried, thinning. And by answering their questionnaire, you'll be able to find out what products work for you. Please let me know if you do try and answer the questionnaire and whether you think that you get products that work for you. I'd be really fascinated to know. And if you'd like to find out more about the brand, please let me know and I will delve even further. Anyway, look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye.